The Borno State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA, don't confirm the death of 30 people for the plenty explosion when it happened for Konduga on Sunday night. The explosion when it happened for one football viewing center still get over 40 people when they get injury. SEMA Director top in charge of search and rescue, Usman Kachala, as he showed the scene of explosion when it happened for Mandangeri village inside Konduga local government area, talk this matter, give the state government to upgrade the health facilities for the communities outside Maiduguri. According to Ram, he said many of the victims for survive if the health facility for Konduga be there in good shape.
Abun muna nan ne daga karfe 8 zuwa nan muna zaune muna hira kawai da muka ji wani abu ya kara shikenan da ya tashi kuma muna nan muna duba wasu suna kokarin guduwa suna za su je can sai sake tashiwa a can wajen anan da ya take cewa mutane sun ji rauni wasu kuma sun mutu an sai muka tsaya muka kwashe wayanda za mu kwashe wasu muka kai asibiti wanda suka jigata muka kai gida hatta ni ma akwai kanina wanda ya mutu a cikin haka.
As you can clearly see at the scene of the incidents now, yesterday around 8 p.m. it was reported that there was a very loud explosion in Kondiga. So all our efforts to reach Kondiga yesterday could not, it's not fruitful because of security checkups and what have you. So this morning we tried our best to come, but still we kept at the gate for at least 1 or 2 hours. People get access to Kondiga. On reaching the scene of the incident, we found out that there's a lot of casualties. In fact, the death toll at the time we are talking to is about over 30. And the injured was over 48. But one good thing is most of them are evacuated to General Hospital Maiduguri. But from the information we are receiving from at the point of incident, we were led to understand that the facilities at Kondiga General Hospital was not up to date. In fact, most of the dead cases were as a result of very low facilities at the local government hospital. So we are now calling on the government to improve, to upgrade the hospital, put more facilities, etc. In case cases like this do happen. You cannot reach Maiduguri because of security reasons. If you stay here, the facilities are not up to date. So the main issue now is, one, the government to improve the facilities at the hospitals at local government level, and then also to talk with the security so that we'll get access